Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss what is on-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to all measures taken by the SEOs within the website to improve the ranking of a site in search engine result pages. These measures are related to content and HTML source code of a page. For example, meta tags, keywords placement and keyword density, including the technical setups, the content and user friendliness of your site. So on-page SEO optimization factors are linked within the elements of your websites. So in on-page SEO, you deal with all the elements of SEO that you can control. For example, a website's owner can control the technical issues, meta tags, and quality of the content of the sites. On-page SEO issues are in your control, so that they should be resolved without any delay to improve the rankings in search engine result pages. There are many on-page SEO factors that can help of your sites to rise higher on SERPs. Some of the most important on-page SEO factors are follows. First one is keyword in title tag. Title tag tells the search engines and users about your content. It provides an accurate description of the content, which makes it an important relevancy signal for a search engine. So can be incorporate relevant keywords in the title tag that represent your keywords and content, and thus can be assist search engines and the user in understanding when they are going to read and accordingly in improving its ranking. Second one is keyword in meta description tag. It is summary or snippet of your page which is displayed on search engine result pages below the URL. You may include your web keywords in this and make it more relevant, appealing and informative to search engines and users, and thus can get more click on your link. Next one is keyword in H1 tag. It is also relevance factor that introduce your page or acts as a description of your page. So you have also include your main keywords in the H1 tag to improve its ranking. And the fourth one is the length of the page. Today the users do not get satisfied with the basic information. Instead they want to be educated by reading all the possible information about a topic. The search engines therefore prefers lengthy pages to rank first, as the longer pages can cover more aspect of your topic. And the fifth one is canonical tags. You should use the canonical tags when you have two URLs with similar content. This tag prevents the use of duplicate contents, as it tells Google that one URL is equivalent to another, so the two pages within the same content are not different pages and they belong to the original page. And the sixth one is image optimizations. Along with the text, images should also be optimized by using alt text, caption and description and more. Furthermore, do not name your image as image1.jpg. Instead, use descriptive file names, for example word driving car.jpg. Seventh one is content updates. Search engines prefer freshly updated content, so keep adding more information to the sites and update the old pages if required. Eighth one is outbound links. You can use outbound links to send user to another websites if you want to provide more information. So it can be trust factor for Google. However, using too many outbound links may affect the ranking, so use them in moderation. Internal links. You can interlink your web pages so that the traffic from one may be diverted to the other pages which are less clicked by the users. And next one is keyword in URL. The URL should contain the keywords, as it is also a way to send a relevancy signal to the search engines. Next one is sitemap. You can create a sitemap for your site. It helps search engines to index all the pages on your website, which is also a part of search engine optimizations. Google Search Engine Console integrations. You can verify your sites at Google Webmaster Tools. It provides you valuable data to optimize your sites. Next one is content of page. The content of the page should be of good quality, relevant and latest. Furthermore, it should supply the largest demand, which means it should be related to highly searched topics, keywords, etc. And the next one is linkable content. This type of content is drafted with the objective of attracting links generally from the other websites in your niche. Next one is content formatting. The content should be readable and organized, which can be achieved through different ways such as highlight the important part of a page using bold, underline and italic options. Use a suitable font size at least 14 pixels. Split the content into small paragraphs of 4 to 5 lines. Maintain the required spacing between the paragraphs to make it the post easy to read. And the last is use CSS to create sections that break the content into manageable parts and make it appealing. Next one is images and multimedia elements. The images makes your content more appealing and presentable. So adding images to your content if it is possible. However, do not add images unnecessarily or too many as it may leave a bad impression. The images should not be very large as it may increase the loading time of your page, which is not good for SEO. And the next one is URL optimizations. You can optimize a URL in two different ways: URL optimizations and URL structure. The URL of a page, which is also known as a slug, is a permanent link. An important URL should be less than 255 characters and hyphens should be used to separate the different parts of the URL. Furthermore, it should be short, descriptive and include your targeted keywords. Some of examples of SEO optimized URLs are https://google.com. And the next one is URL structure optimizations. The URL structure should also reflect the actual structure of a website. You can optimize it by making categories that helps and users and search engines find the content with ease. A website without categories is like a warehouse with unorganized items, and with categories it looks like a warehouse where items divided into different categories. Although you can have subcategories, it is advised not to go over two levels. And the next one is internal links. Interlinking the web pages of a website is very important for SEO. It allows you to create your own web or network. Search engine spider follows the links found on a page, both internal and external. If a page lacks links, the spider will read your page and go. It also helps keep users on your sites for a long time. And the next one is external links. External links can be used for SEO as they allow you to link your websites to other high quality related websites, which makes your site more trustworthy, which is good for SEO. Next one is page loading site speed. Search engines always keep putting efforts to make the web faster. It prefers to include the fastest websites in its index, which is good for a site in terms of SEO. It also with the customer retentions and conversions. And the last one is mobile friendliness. With the increase in mobile internet user, around 60% searches in Google are generated through the mobile devices. So websites which is not mobile friendly may be losing a half of the potential traffic. So this is all about what is on-page SEO. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.